Alright guys, so this is the entrance of my house, and as soon as you walk out, I have some blueberries bushes here that have amazing blueberries. I absolutely love this bush. This year around, it didn't give me that many blueberries because I didn't water it as often as I should have. Last season, it's getting reestablished because I was so busy last year, but that's a whole nother story I'll get into. I also have one in a container that was gifted to me. It's very well established. The trunk on this tree is very, very thick, which means that it got trimmed down. This next season is going to give me tons and tons of blueberries. I also collect succulents. As you guys can see here, I have a fire stick and some other little succulents that I stuck in here. I'm going to be doing some videos on succulents because I want to